Standard 8 Maths Chapter 14 Factorization. So in last video we have done factorization using identity. Now we have discussed about three identities, how to do the factorization using square terms, and now in this video we will look for the expression which are in the form of x plus a into x plus b. Now in chapter 9 I have explained this identity. The multiplier product of this was x square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. Now consider, so this coefficient of x is a plus b and this product is a into b. Now consider an equation x square plus 5x plus 6. Now this 6 is not the square of any number. Okay, this 6 is not the square of any number. In such cases we have to apply this identity. Now what we have to do? We have to factorize this 6 in such a way such that a value of a into b is 6 and a plus b is 5. Now 6 can be written as 2 into 3. Clear? And also this 5 can be written as 2 plus 3. So we have this a and b. So a plus b we have 5. A into b we have 6. So now how can we factorize? This is x square plus this 5 can be written as 2 plus 3 into x and 2 into 3. So it can be written as x plus a, or what we can do, we can expand this from x square plus 2 into x, this is 2x, this is plus 3 into x, this will be 3x plus 2 into 3. Now we have to regroup these two terms together. Okay, so what is common from this term? This is x. What is left? It was 2x plus 2, and from this term we have 3 common, and this is x plus 2. So x plus 2 we can take as individual expression, and this x plus 3 here. So this is comes out to be in the form of this x plus a and x plus b. So we have to factorize this numerical value term. Okay, now we will check for some examples so the things will become more clear to you. Now we have example 10. Example 10 here, a y square minus 7y plus 12. Y square minus 7y plus 12. Now this is value of a plus b. We have minus 7, and value of a into b we have 12. Clear? Now see, this 12 can be written as 4 into 3. When we are multiplying 4 into 3, answer is 12. Okay, so this thing is clear. But when we add 4 plus 3, answer is plus 7. And we have minus 7 here. So what we can do, there is one more method. So when we multiply minus 4 into minus 3, so answer will also be equal to plus 12. Okay, you have read about these things earlier, that when a minus a is into minus b, answer will become plus. When two negative numbers are multiplied, the answer result in positive variable. So so the a plus b, so the value of a and b could have been minus 7 and b is minus 3. So minus 4 and minus 3. So what will be a plus b? This is minus 4 plus minus 3. So it would be minus 4 minus 3, answer will be minus 7, and when multiply a into b, that is minus 4 into minus 3, answer is plus 7. Okay, so we have the equations or the values of this a plus b, and a minus b will be, satisfy this equation. Okay, now we will factorize. So the value of a and b are clear. A is minus 4 and b is minus 3. Now this is y, this is 4y minus 3y plus minus 4 into minus 3. Clear? So this is minus 4y minus 3y, this is minus 7y, minus 4 into minus 3 is plus 12. So this equation is modified as this. So we what we are doing, we are taking these two terms together. Okay, so what we can take from these terms, this is minus y common. Inside we have left y minus 4. Now what we have to do from this term, we are taking minus 3 from both the terms. Minus 3 we have taken, and this will be what is left from this. This y is left, and from this we have minus 4 left. Okay. So minus y minus 4, y minus 4, this is, and this is y minus 3. So this way we have to factorize the term using, this is also called splitting the middle term. So we have to split the middle term in order to factorize this. So one more example. This is example 11. Example 11. This is z square minus 4z minus 12. Now in this case, both the terms, that is a plus b is also negative number, and ab is also minus 12. So what we have to do? So factors of 12. So it can be written as 6 into 2. But since it is a negative number, so the after multiplying these two variables, this one number should have been negative sign. So we can either take minus 6 or minus 2. We are not sure about the sign, which number is minus. Okay. Now when we look at this part, that is a plus b part, this is minus 4. Okay. First case is 2 is negative and we have plus 6. If we add these two terms together, this is plus 2, oh, minus 2 and plus 6. Answer is we have plus 4. Clear? What we have answer is plus 4, but we need minus sign. Minus with 4. So what we have to take? We have to take minus 6 and plus 2. When we add minus 6 plus 2, answer is minus 4. So the value of A is minus 6 and B is plus 2. When we add, it comes minus 4, and when we multiply, this comes minus 12. So how we are factorized? How we are going to factorize? This is z square, and we are splitting this term. This is minus 6z and plus 2z. This is minus 6z plus 2z will be minus 4z, and this is plus minus 6 into 2. So we have just modified this equation. So we have to take common, or we have to further take the things. From this we have z outside, that is common. So from this we have z left, and this is minus 6. And from this what we can take? We can take 2 common, and this is z. From this we have minus 6 left. So z minus 6 into z plus 2. Okay, so this is how we are going to split the middle term and factorize the expression.